Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the VPN. VPN means Virtual Private Network. A VPN is a private connection over the shared network in which we can transfer the data with shared network in a secure manner. Now question is behind that. Why is called private networking? Because data is encrypted and hashing, and two known persons can decrypt the data. VPN will ask the username and password and encrypt the data, in which encryption means change the format of the data. VPN provide data integrity, and data integrity means what value we are transferring the data that should be reaching in same format. That is called data integrity. Whenever VPN established, we can receive all the data in secure manner. Now we are going to explain about the types of VPN. There are four types of VPN. Number 1, remote access VPN, and number 2, site-to-site VPN, number 3, extranet VPN, and number 4, client server VPN. Now we are going to discuss about the types of VPN one by one. Number 1, remote access VPN. This VPN established between firewall and VPN software. For example, if we have some employee and work from home, to make the security, we require to install VPN client software on their laptop. Now, when they establish the connection, this VPN software make the VPN with firewall and establish a secure connection. This is called remote access VPN. Now number 2, site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPN will establish between two firewall, means that one is our head office and one in our branch office. These types of VPN always used in site-to-site VPN. Now number 3, extranet VPN. VPN will establish between two firewalls just like site-to-site VPN, but here VPN will establish between two different companies, means that we have two firewall and two different administrator will configure the VPN. Now we are going to discuss about the client server VPN. This VPN will establish inside the office, means that if inside the office we have one server and it has confidential information and we want only secure communication, it will establish on the server. Then we configure client server VPN. Now we are going to discuss about the steps. You can see here, this is our scenario. It has two sites, site 1 and site 2. There are some requirements for site-to-site VPN. Number 1, a smart console. One machine, it should be Windows 7. Number 2, a smart management server. One machine, it should be Gaia operating system. Number 3, a smart gateway firewall. One machine, it should be also Gaia OS. Similar as Site 1, it requires 3 more machines in Site 2. It is showing in green color and it is in Site 2. It has one smart console, one management server, one smart gateway firewall. Now you can see practicals. See here. You can see this is the step 1. You can see the steps. Let us to do the start the practical. Now first of all we are going to create a firewall object. So you can see here, enter name of the firewall object, their IP address, and check firewall and IPSec VPN. You can see here. After that, click on OK. After that, click on Yes. Now firewall object has been created. Now step 2. You can see here. Now we are going to do the next step, network object. Enter name of the network object. Inside site 1 and their IP address and their subnet mask. After that, click on OK and click on Yes. You can see here. Now create another one, network object. After that, enter IP address and subnet mask. After that, click on OK. Now you can also select the color according to the scenario. Now minimize it and let us do next step. You can see here. Now click on firewall object and select topology. After that, select inside and click OK. Yes. Now select firewall 2 and after that click on OK. Now we are going to do next step. You can see here. Now according to scenario, you can see the steps. Now you can see the process. It is showing some error, but you can resolve it. Now it became successful. Now we are going to next step. Now you can see before that I was forget to click on IPSec Policy. So we require to click on Firewall Property. You can see here. Now click on Topology and see here. After that, minimize it and you can see here. Now open Community and check. Let us do next step. Now define VPN community. So you can see here. Now select firewall 1 and click OK. Add OK. After that click on encryption. You can select any one, but remember that both sides should be same key, otherwise you will be not able to establish the VPN. So you have to see here very carefully and enter password as you like. Yes. After that click on OK. Now you can edit the policy and select accept, add object, SCMP Proto, click on log. After that, click on install policy. Every time you should require to click on install policy. Otherwise, you will be not able to do the practical. So after implementing anything, so you require to click on install policy. Now process is going on. You can see here it became successfully. Now we are going to do next step. You can see here now click on firewall object. So let us do start next step. You can see here now we are going to start Site-to VPN similar as Site 1. You can also select IPSec VPN and click on OK. You can see IPSec VPN. After that, you can see here. Let us do next step. Now we are going to define network object for Site 2. Inside Site 1 and IP address 192.168.1.0. This is the network address. You can also select color. Now Site 2. Now define network object. Inside Site 2. After that, enter network address 192.168.2.0 and net mask 255.255.255.0. After that, click on yes. Now let us do next step. Now select firewall 1, manually define inside Site 1. After that, select firewall 2 and click on topology. After that, manually defined firewall inside Site 2 and click on OK. After that, let us do next step. Select VPN Community. After that, Site-to-Site and My Internet and select Accept. After that, click on Add. You have to select both firewall and click on OK. After that encryption, you have to select same key similar as site 1. After that, click on OK. You can see here. Now click on advanced setting. After that, use pre-shared key. After that, click on OK. Yes, OK. And you can add new rule at the bottom of this page. Click on edit. After that, enter name of the policy. Services ICMP proto. Action accept. After that, click on OK. And click on install policy. Now you can see here process is going on. Now you can see it became successful. Now you can see here now see you have to apply command prompt and apply 192.168.1.1. Now reply is coming. Now you can see the logs. There are two keys. It is showing encrypted data. Now you can see here this is the log. After that you can see here encrypt. Now go to site 2 and open a smart view tracker. Now you can see here in site 1 data was encrypted. Now you can see this is the log. And this is the key. Next you can see here data became decrypt. Now this practical has been done. Thank you.